Welcome back, artists. Now that I have my design on here, I'm ready to start working on my border. So the first thing you're going to do is grab the yarn in the color that you are hoping to use, and then you're going to thread the needle. Remember, when we thread yarn into a needle, we fold it over the needle, we pinch it to the point where you can hardly see it, and we put the eye over the needle and we wiggle until it pops through, and then we're going to pull it through. We are not tying any knots for this. We're going to be counting these boxes. And you want to come up with a pattern. In general, we like to start under from the back and then work towards the front. So I'm going to do a pattern of 2 over, 2 under, 2 over, 2 under. And I'm just going to go through with my needle, counting my boxes or those lines and staying in this channel on the track. Once my needle is all used up, I pull the yarn through. And then I can continue on. This is a place where it's common to make a mistake. So I need to double check and make sure, all right, I was just under. So now I go over 2, under 2, and make sure that you're just going over the 2 or the amount that you want. Remember, when you're doing this pattern, you cannot do more than 5 over and 5 under at a time. And then the goal is to try to end on the back side of the burlap, but it's hard to predict how that will work out. Now, once I have my yarn in there, I can take off my needle, and then we're just going to trim these edges so it lines up with the edge of the burlap. So it's just a decorative border. And then I can do the same thing to the top side.